recording also. So regarding compaction curve, I told you. Once again, I remind you what is the compaction curve. Compaction curve is a curve. After doing the standard Proctor test or modification Proctor test, you will get two things. One, the water content whichever you add, and corresponding to every water content, there will be dry densities. Okay, so two data you should get. One is water content, second is dry density. Water content should be taken on x-axis, whereas dry density should be taken on the y-axis. So whatever the graph is drawn, so this bell curve graph is called compaction curve. So tip of this one you take, top of this bell. So draw horizontal line, draw vertical line, wherever it is makes, it is optimum moisture content OMC, and horizontally wherever it is meet, it is called MDB. Apart from this, I told you about zero air wide line or 100% saturation line, and how to draw a zero air wide line or 100% saturation line. How to calculate all these things. Then I started this question. The following results were obtained from the standard compact stand on a sample. So water content and maximum wet soil will be given. You found gamma, then gamma D. E can be found by this formula, G rho W by rho D minus 1. So E for all the calculations you did. Then you found degree of saturation. Degree of saturation for everything is given by omega G by E, and this is the corresponding degree of saturation. And then he has asked theoretical maximum density. Of course, he didn't ask here to draw you the graph of zero wide line or 100% saturation line. But what he did is he asked you to calculate theoretical maximum density, and that we have calculated like this. And then we draw the graph. This is the book graph. This is mine graph. So I got MDD as 1.75 gram per cc, 1.75 gram per cc, and this is OMC is 15.6%. OMC is 15.6%. Like this, I did. So, if you have any doubts, please ask. We will solve two more problems today, and apart from this, some other type of problems also I will give you. And in the next class, I will wind up this chapter. इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं. So यही पूछते रहता क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Nothing new is here. Okay. So now we shall go for the next question. So what is the next question? I will tell you. Get on this, please. The following are the results. The following are the results of a compaction test. Please take down. The following are the results of a compaction test. The following are the results of a compaction test. So now, mass of mold plus wet soil. Remember here, only mass of soil is not given here. Mass of mold plus wet soil means whatever mold is there, its mass is also considered. So that mass of mold plus soil, that is given, and that quantity is this much, 2925. It is in grams, it is given. 3095, 3150, 3125, 3070. And water content in percentage is given by 10%, 12%, 14.3%, and 16.1%, 18.2%. So these are the water content percentages, and these are mass of mold plus wet soil. These are mass of mold plus wet soil. Got it? For the idea? So mass of mold plus wet soil plus water content has been given to you. So apart from this, so volume of mold 1000 ml, mass of mold 1000 gram, and specific gravity of solids 2.70. So these things data has been given to you. So what he has asked? Find the compaction curve showing the optimum moisture content, maximum dry density, then plot the zero air wide line, and Determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. Determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. So this is the question. The following are the results of a compaction test. This is mass of mold plus wet soil, and this is the water content. Please take down this data. So only thing what you have to do is mass of soil is given by 2925 minus mass of mold is 1000. So 2925 minus 1000. 2925 minus 1000, 3095 minus 1000, 3150 minus 1000, 3125 minus 1000, 3070 minus 1000. So mass of soil you will get by deducting in each reading the 1000 grams, because it is the mass of mold. Mass of mold. The mass of soil you will get. Once you get the mass of soil, volume of mold is given. So first thing you can calculate is density. So please you calculate density of all the readings. First reading I did 2925 minus 1000 mass of mold. The total mass of soil is 1925 divided by volume of soil is 1000. So 1925 divided by 1000 is 1.925 gram per centimeter cube. 1.925 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the rho or density. This is the density. So how you get the dry density? Dry density is equal to rho divided by 1 plus W, that is 1.925 divided by 1 plus water content is for first reading 10. So 1.0. So if you do this, it is 1.75. 1.75. So like this, you have to calculate the rho and rho D for all the readings. Please do it. करो सभी लोग, चुप आराम से मत बैठो, कैलकुलेशन करो, सभी रीडिंग्स का रो निकालो और रो डी निकालो और चार्ट बॉक्स में लिखो. करो प्लीज. Find the rho and rho D of all the soils. Please do it. 5 minutes time I will give. Yes, please calculate rho and rho D for all the values. So please, it is my request, सभी लोग कैलकुलेशन करो, ग्राफ शीट ले लो, उतारो. चुप बैठे तो मैं चुप बोल के गया तो समझ में नहीं आता आपको. तो मैं आपको एक रीडिंग का बताया, रो कैसा निकालना, मास बाय वॉल्यूम, एंड देन रो डी इज इक्वल टू रो डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस डब्ल्यू. Calculate rho by rho D for all the readings. Do it please. Take your time. Calculate rho and rho D for all and you put it in the chat box. Calculate rho and rho D for all the values. using your calculator and please put in the chat box. बहुत सिंपल है, रो इज इक्वल टू मास बाय सॉइल. रो तो हम सबका देख के बोल सकते हैं. 3095 माइनस 1000, 2095 बाय 1000, 2.095. ये तो बहुत सिंपल होता है, इतना होता है ना. 1000 माइनस करें तो कितना होता है देखो. इज इट राइट? यस. दिस इज 2.095. दिस इज 2.150. दिस इज 2 पॉइंट, ऐसा ही होता. कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Densities are 1.095. I'm not getting you, Sheetal. Densities are 1. What she is asking, I don't know. Densities are 1.095. What is meant by densities are? So you have to calculate density for each reading, beta. That is 2925 minus 1000 divided by 1000. So it is 1.925. Then 3095 minus 1000 divided by 1000. It will get 2.095. And then you, for each reading you have to get रो. ये एक रीडिंग के लिए मैं किया हूं रो और रो डी. आपको क्या करना है, हर रीडिंग के लिए रो करना है और रो डी करना है. प्लीज डू इट. ओके. 2.0. Okay, beta. These are Shital row. So now you calculate row D for everyone. So row D is given by whatever the row you got, row divided by 1 plus corresponding water content. 1 plus corresponding water content. Yes, calculate row and row. इतना देर, इसका मतलब आप कर रहे भी नहीं, चुप बैठ जा रहे. क्या करना है कुछ तो. इट्स अप टू लेफ्ट टू यू. I won't force for you anybody, but you have to do it. Then only you can understand. Find the row for each and every reading and the row D for each and every reading. Okay, Vaishnavi. 2.0, 2.15, 2.125. Okay, these are row beta. But why so much late? Huh? Now you calculate row D immediately. इतना लेट क्यों लग रहा है कैलकुलेटर पे? 2 मिनट का काम है ये. ओके ओके बेटा. Bhosle Vaishnavi has got it. 1.87, 1.88, 1.83, 1.751, and already one reading I got 1.75. So all of you do it, please. You get row D, row for each reading, that is mass density, and then you get a row D for each reading. और याद रखो, मैं इतना आपको आराम से गड़बड़ क्यों कर रहा हूं इसके लिए कि ये क्वेश्चन आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पेपर निकाल के देखो, पूछ लेता हूं. दिस इज द वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन टू बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Yes, row D for alas 1.75. Okay, beta. Sonali Patil also did, right? So now, once you do get the row and row D, then you take a graph sheet, and on the x-axis you take water content, and on the y-axis you take dry density, which you have calculated just now. समझ में आपको? ग्राफ शीट पे एक्स एक्सिस पे वाटर कंटेंट ले लो और वाई एक्सिस पे डेंसिटीज ले लो. डेंसिटीज आप कैलकुलेट करें. वाटर कंटेंट आपके है 10, 12, 14.3, 16.1, 18.2 and the corresponding densities are just Sonali Patil has calculated 1.75, 1.871, 1.881, 1.830 and 1.751. So now you draw a graph water content versus dry density. ले लो ग्राफ, ले लो अपना ग्राफ लेके एक ग्राफ ऐसा कॉम्पैक्शन कर्व बनाओ, फिर उससे आप निकालो व्हाट इज द ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट एंड व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम ड्राई डेंसिटी. What is the optimum moisture content and what is the dry density? This you have to calculate. Do it please fast. Then draw the graph, please. After calculating rho d for each values, you calculate, you draw the graph. Please do this activity here itself. घर में भी नहीं करते, यहाँ भी नहीं करते, सिर्फ पढ़े तो समझ में नहीं आता ये. Water content versus dry density. You draw a graph. You will get join all the points. You will get a compaction curve. So maximum tip point you take, draw a horizontal line, draw a vertical line from that one. You will get optimum moisture content and maximum dry density. Yes, please draw the graph. Please draw the graph and tell me the answer. What is OMC? At least कोई एक तो करता है क्या देखेंगे. Still 5 minutes time I will give. First you calculate rho, then you calculate rho d, and after getting rho d, draw on the graph sheet a curve water content versus rho d. Water content versus rho d, and from that you get what is maximum dry density and what is optimum moisture content. What is optimum moisture content? What is optimum moisture content? Yes, anybody? I want the answer. What is OMC and what is MDD for this particular question? First you calculate rho. Rho is equal to mass by volume. Then you calculate rho D. Rho D is equal to rho divided by 1 plus W. After getting rho D, as the water contents are known, on the x-axis you take water content, on the y-axis you take maximum dry density. And after drawing a curve, take the top tip point and draw a horizontal line from that and a vertical line from that. So you will get OMC and EMDD. Somebody did it. Let me see. If कोई अकेला करे तो बस है मुझे. Okay, Vaishnavi, very good. Vaishnavi has did some values she got and I think it is right also. थोड़ा बहुत फर्क आता, हर एक का सबका आंसर सेम नहीं आता, but at least Vaishnavi did it. I'm very happy. Please others also do it. Others also do it. Okay, Mayam did very good. Sonali Patil also did. 1.89 is MMD, MDD beta, and OMC is 13.5. Yes, everybody. Sheetal also got same. Sheetal everybody. So let me see the book answer. Book answer is yes 1.89 and 13.5. बिल्कुल correct है सबके आंसर. So 13.5 is the water content and 1.89 ग्राम. देखिए यहाँ पर जो कर्व बनता है कॉम्पैक्शन पर, यहां से एक वर्टिकल लाइन खींचो. दिस इज 1.35. तो 13.5, so 0.135, 13.5% is the water content and the reading you will get is 1.89. MDD is 1.89 gram per centimeter cube and OMC is 13.5%. 13.5%. Next is what he has asked is plot the zero air wide line. Plot the zero air wide line. Zero air wide line or 100% saturation line. And third he has asked is determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. तो फिर बाद में देखेंगे हम. So we have to find now plot the zero air wide line. So for zero air wide line, this is an imaginary line. Here the degree of saturation is 100%. That is S is equal to 1. And when S is equal to 1, so rho D dry density formula becomes G rho W by 1 plus omega G. G rho W divided by 1 plus omega G. Like this it becomes. Rho D maximum is equal to G rho W divided by 1 plus omega G. So for the first reading, I will calculate the things. G is 2.7. G is 2.7. Rho W is 1. So 2.7 into 1 divided by 1 plus water content is 0.1 into 2.7. To simplify this, we will get 2.13 something. So first reading is 2.13. Like this, using this formula, you calculate rho D maximum for other values. Please करो सभी लोग. you calculate rho d maximum for other values. एक फर्स्ट में किया हूं, formula for maximum dry density. This is theoretical maximum dry density, please remember. So theoretical maximum dry density is given by g rho w by 1 plus omega g. That is 2.7 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0.1 into 2.7. That is 2.7 divided by 1 plus 0.27. You simplify this, you will get rho d maximum. Rho d maximum. So for the first reading I did, it is 2.13. Now for the second reading you do, second reading के लिए क्या करना है? सिर्फ water content change होता. 2.71 into 1 divided by 1 plus, for the second reading water content is 12, so 0.12. 0.12 into 2.7 करो, second reading. Third reading के लिए 14.3 है, 0.143. यहीं पर चेंज होता, बाकी का सब सेम रहता. ये कैलकुलेशन करके सारे वैल्यू चार्ट बॉक्स में लिखो. Find the theoretical maximum dry density. These are the points where degree of saturation is 100%, which is not at all possible in the field. Which is not at all possible in the field. You calculate rho d maximum for all the things and put in the chart box. Yes, somebody did here. Very good. Two fellows did. Sonali Patil. All rho d maximum values. Yes, good. 2.1, 2.039, 1.947, 1.882, and 1.81. So after getting these values, for the corresponding water content, you take the rho d maximum values and you draw a straight line. This line is called 100% saturation line or zero air void line. This line is called 100% saturation line or zero air void line. Please do it. Yes, please draw a straight line. This line is called zero air void line. So I think now the question is very clear to you. Apart from this, in the end, what he has asked, determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. Determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. So, yes is equal to, formula क्या है आपके पास? वो फॉर्मूला यूज करो. मैक्सिमम ड्राई डेंसिटी का वाटर कंटेंट कितना है? 13.5 है शायद ना. हाँ, 13.5 यूज करो. जी का वैल्यू तो दिया हुआ है, तो S इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा जी बाई एस. द फॉर्मूला इज ओमेगा जी बाय एस और S इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा जी बाय ई. ओमेगा जी बाय ई. सो पहले ई निकालो आप. ई निकालने के बाद इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ यस, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ यस। और ई कैसा निकालते मालूम है क्या आपको? ई इज इक्वल टू जी रो डब्ल्यू बाय रो डी माइनस 1। ये भी करो, लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी कंप्लीट करो प्लीज। What he has asked is, after drawing the zero wide line, what he has asked is, determine the degree of saturation at the maximum dry density. First, at the maximum dry density, you calculate E, small e, and small e is given by G omega rho W by rho D minus 1. G rho W by rho D minus 1. If you simplify, you will get this value. So now, from this you will get S is equal to like this. S is equal to like this, 0.852 or 85.2%. ठीक है, उतना कैलकुलेशन ड्रॉ करो और ये कैलकुलेशन करो, पहले ई कैलकुलेशन करो मैक्सिमम ड्राई डेंसिटी के लिए, ई निकाल के यस निकालो। द आंसर इज 85.2%। आई होप द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। एक ब्रेक ले लो 2-3 मिनट का, ब्रेक के टाइम में भी सॉल्यूशन करो एंड वी विल शैल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन द आफ्टर द ब्रेक।